Welcome. This video provides an overview of Sanford Guide with Stewardship Assist, an innovative way to distribute your guidelines and antibiograms to smartphones, tablets, and the web. Designed with hospitals and health systems in mind, Stewardship Assist takes the hassle out of developing your antimicrobial stewardship app. Stewardship Assist presents Sanford Guide infectious disease treatment recommendations alongside your guidelines and your antibiograms. Once our team transfers your content over to the platform, you can edit it at any time, providing new guidelines to prescribers and pharmacists in seconds. Stewardship Assist is available on Android, iOS, and the web. Stewardship Assist consists of 4 primary components: Sanford Guide content, local guidelines added to any Sanford Guide page, the capacity to display local antibiograms, and an institutional directory, which can be customized to meet your facility's needs. Editing your content is as easy as writing an email. First, navigate to any Sanford Guide content page or to a page in your institutional directory. Next, click the flag button on the content page or edit page at the top of the institutional directory page. You'll be presented with a set of tools that can be used to edit your information. Make the changes you'd like to see, and when you're done, then either click Save to save your work and return to it later, or click Publish Changes to release your changes immediately. When you click Publish, you'll have the chance to add a brief note about what was changed, making it easier to keep track of your changes should you ever need to review edits made by your team. Our antibiogram tools allow you to display an unlimited number of antibiograms. After the initial setup, you can add new views to your antibiogram with just a few clicks. Add the drugs and pathogens you'd like to display using the Add Drug or Pathogen button, and remove any that you'd like to exclude by clicking the minus symbols adjacent to each drug and pathogen. Once you're satisfied with the new filter, click the drop-down at the top left of the table and select the dataset you'd like to display. Click Save View and enter the name you'd like to use for this antibiogram. Within seconds, your users will be able to see this antibiogram in their apps just by tapping on the view you just created. When users tap or click on any cell within your antibiograms, they'll see your susceptibility for the interaction, the number of isolates used, your notes as they apply to the interaction, susceptibilities from other datasets within your institution, and any related data from the Sanford Guide spectra of activity. Users can also tap on drugs and pathogens to be taken to comprehensive information from Sanford Guide, along with any institution-specific guidelines you may have added. Your institutional subscription to Sanford Guide with Stewardship Assist includes facility-wide access to content via mobile apps and the web, assistance for your editorial team, unlimited technical support for your users, and continual updates to support new mobile devices and web browsers, eliminating the need for your IT team to maintain and support your Guidelines app. To learn more about how Stewardship Assist can improve antimicrobial stewardship at your institution, visit sanfordguide.com or send us a quick email. Contact us today to schedule a demo. Sanford Guide with Stewardship Assist. Stewardship simplified.